Yes, arrived at the Fotofair 2025. It's gonna be 37 degrees tomorrow, so that's in Celsius, 37. Now to give you an idea, when we were in Dubai, it was way over 37, but that heat was doable. Over here, as soon as it reached 30, that's terrible. So this is gonna be one of those weekends where we're gonna have a lot of coolness with fans and of course great workshops, because this year on Fotofair I'm doing 4 different workshops and it's all about creativity and lighting with color. Yes, so join us for this episode of the Fotofair 2025. So everything at the Fotofair is inside tents, and that's nice because this year we're actually under a tree, so I hope it's not going to be too hot. Let me show you very quickly how it looks. So everywhere there are tents and our RV, and in those tents there are workshops and of course demos, and this is our area where we are now setting up. So we have one area where I'm going to shoot all the way in the back, there's Anoweek, and we have one area for our books and products, and of course our beautiful BenQ monitor over there that everybody can see the images large. Now of course we always bring our own backdrops from Click Backdrops, as you can see here. So I'm using a 3 background system with a remote control, but we also have the clickies, and this is actually the stand for the clicky. Now I'm going to tell you something that's really important. When you use a backdrop, it's really important that the backdrop, of course, doesn't have any creases and it's just nice and flat. Now, one of the problems with almost every stand where you put a backdrop of is that you can't use the bottom part of the backdrop, it seems. But you actually can't use the backdrop all the way to the half for the very simple reason the legs of the tripod or the stand that you're using. Watch this. So these are normal stands, as you all know, although our stands have a little trick where you pick them up and they do this. But these are the normal stands where the feet are actually a little bit up. Now this is our new stand together with the auto poles, and this one is flush on the floor. So that means when we put the quickie on here, we don't have any problems with creases and folds. So this is an awesome stand for your backdrops. And of course you can also configure it to be like that. But this one can also be totally flat. Isn't that awesome? Day 1, Fotofair 2025, and look at the view. Isn't it awesome? There's our RV. And this is where the show is today. All the way over there. Are you ready? Good. And day 2 of the Fotofair in a week. Is it hot?
We are going up a hill, Frank.
Is it hot?
Yes, it's incredibly
It's really hot. So this is not fun anymore, but hey, we're gonna try to keep everything cool in the tent with some fans. We brought our own fans, of course, and 2 workshops and then back home. And that concludes Fotofair 2025. Did we have fun in a week?
Yes, we did.
Was it hot?
It was extremely hot.
Yeah, it is. So we're gonna see you again next year at Fotofair 2026. And let's hope that that year there won't be any rain and it won't be extremely hot. That will be unique because the Fotofair, it is a very, very cool show. But the problem is every year it's extreme weather. So or it's extreme hot or there's extreme rain. So next year we're gonna aim for normal weather. Let's hope.